Hey, this is a video by Sky Waves. This is a video on how to get Pidgin Internet Messenger to work with Discord. Now, although this is not supported by Discord and isn't officially endorsed, someone has made a plugin for it so that Pidgin Internet Messenger is, if you don't want to use that stupid Chrome client, you can use this instead. Now, let's search for libpurple Discord into Google or whatever search engine you want. You want the first result in Google, which is by Eon Rob. Purple Discord, a libpurple/purple plugin for Discord. Now on Windows, this tutorial is for Windows. I'm using XP. You can go to the nightly builds from here, download them. It downloads libdiscord.dol, and then you want the plugin requires libjson-glib, which can be downloaded from GitHub and copied to the program files Pidgin folder, not the plugin subfolder. Now we want to save that too. This is all on the GitHub README. If you want your downloads, put in libjson. Let's just go to program files a minute. See program files, Pidgin, and then put, what is this? Yeah, that's JSON. Put that in the Pidgin folder, and put Discord DLL into the plugins folder, just in the root of the plugins folder. Alright, now let's launch it. Pidgin. Let's see. Yep, you have no IAM accounts configured. That's because I've just done it. Now Discord should appear in the list, as you can see here. Let's type in an email address. That this isn't a contactable email address for me. It is just a right. Remember password. Advanced. Use status messages in-game info. You can do that if you want. Add that. I think I got the password right. Yep, I did. And you can see. Oh. Yeah, that's just a number of message. Let me just close that. And look, as you can see, it works. Just from that one message alone, it works. Here's all the channels and that. You can go into your DM conversations and everything works. The only thing that doesn't seem to work is groups names. And for some reason, it does get a bit annoying whenever you get a message in a channel. And yeah. But it's still a decent alternative to using that stupid Chrome client that Discord provides that runs on Electron. Subscribe, like and comment if you want more videos, stuff like that. I'm not really that bothered if you don't. I'm not like these other ones. So yeah, it's also a good way of getting Discord on XP and Vista, which aren't supported by Chrome and therefore won't work with Electron, the default app for Discord. So yeah, have a good day. I'll see you around. Goodbye.